Welcome to our guide on how to set up a smart home assistant. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know to enhance your living space with smart technology. First, let's discuss how to choose the right smart home assistant for your needs. Consider factors like compatibility, features, and personal preferences. Now, let's unbox our smart home assistant. Inside, you'll find the device, power adapter, and some quick start guides. Next up, let's connect your smart home assistant to your Wi-Fi network. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your network and enter your password. Don't forget to download the companion app, which will allow you to control your assistant and connected devices. Here's how to do it, step by step. Let's set up voice activation. This feature enables your assistant to recognize your voice and respond to commands. Follow the prompts to train your assistant. Now it's time to integrate your smart devices. Whether it's lights, thermostats, or more, I'll show you how to add them all to your assistant. To make your smart home even smarter, customize your settings. Here's how to create routines and unique voice commands. Finally, let's test your setup. We'll ensure everything works seamlessly so you can enjoy the full smart home experience. Congratulations! You are now ready to enjoy your smart home assistant. Here are some tips for enhancing your smart home experience.